I have taken NaOH from this earlier prepared sodium hydroxide solution to this graduated cylinder, and I have also taken a sample of H2SO4 solution, and I am going to add this solution in this graduated cylinder. And a neutralization reaction will occur. I have taken universal pH paper, and let's check the pH of this resulting solution. The color appears intense red, which means concentration of H2SO4 is more, and the nature of this solution is acidic. Nature of the solution is acidic, so I am going to add sodium hydroxide solution so as to neutralize this solution. Let's take another strip of universal pH paper and try to assess the nature of this resulting solution. The color appears intense blue. That means the resulting solution is basic. And exercise depict that acid and base can neutralize each other and thereby change the nature of the solution.